Hello everyone, here is a video of this Harbor Breeze Armitage on low, medium, and high. It's currently on low speed. The light globe is missing. You can hear some noise it's making. It can happen when wires are rubbing on the motor, which can happen on other low profile ceiling fans. I'm turning it on medium. I'm turning it on high. It's not much faster than medium, so the capacitor may be bad. And it doesn't blow lots of air either. It's not really the best ceiling fan. Anyways, thanks for watching, and please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.